Your lungs are two soft, spongy organs located inside your chest. They work continuously to supply oxygen and remove carbon dioxide from your body. Each lung is divided into sections called lobes and contains millions of tiny air sacs called alveoli, where the exchange of gases takes place. When you inhale, air travels through the nose, trachea, and bronchi before reaching the alveoli deep inside the lungs. In the alveoli, oxygen moves into the bloodstream, while carbon dioxide leaves the blood and is exhaled from the body. Healthy lungs provide oxygen to every cell, helping your brain, muscles, heart, and other organs function properly every second. Protect your lungs by avoiding smoking, exercising regularly, and breathing clean air, because healthy lungs mean a healthier life.